and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a unboxing for Darn Good Yarns $10 Yarn Club subscription box. This video is not sponsored, but Darn Good Yarn was gracious enough to send me their first month box to open and review for you guys. They were also kind enough to give me 3 one-month subscriptions to give away to you guys, as well as a discount code. So if you wait until the end of the video, I'll give you all the information you need to enter the giveaway and use the code. So let's go ahead and open this box. So right away, I'm drawn to the yarn. It's very bright and it's actually very soft. I've never worked with something like this, so let's look here. This tag gives you all the information you need to know about the yarn. It's worsted weight silk roving yarn in the color watercolors. It gives you what your knit and your crochet gauge is, as well as washing instructions and where it was made and a little description of it. On the back it gives you Darn Good Yarn's logo as well as their mission statement. So let's put this here. And the next thing in the box is your knitting needles and crochet hook pack. So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh. Alright, so the first thing is your knitting needles, and it goes from a natural wood color into an ombre purple. On the head of the needles has Darn Good Yarn's name printed on it, as well as the size needles. Now, I'm actually really impressed. These don't feel like snaggly, I guess. I don't feel like my yarn is going to snag on the needles. I'm not a huge knitter. I do knit, and I will definitely be giving these a go. These feel a little bit shorter than what I'm used to, but then again, if I knit, I knit a blanket, so my needles are a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm really excited about them. They're really pretty. I love how the ombre looks. I haven't seen anything like that with any needles or a hook before. So let's take a look at the crochet hook. The crochet hook is a 5mm, and I'll let you look at the head shape there. Also has Darn Good Yarn printed on it, and it goes from the natural wood color. Yeah, I'm excited to try this hook. You guys, if you've watched some of my videos in the past, my favorite type of hooks to use are the bamboo handles. So this is a little different of a shape too at the bottom of it, so I'm excited to see how that works out for me. Let's see, and the last thing in the box is this little booklet. Gives you some information on the company, a little newsletter, information about the yarn, information about your knitting needles and your crochet hook. You get 2 patterns. So this is the knitting pattern, and it's called Snow Big Deal Cow. And then you get a crochet pattern, which is the Ripples Neckwear. And then it gives you information on the subscription box, as well as some social media information here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and dive into this crochet pattern and see how it works out. Wish me luck, you guys. I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright guys, as you can see, I decided to go with the knitting pattern over the crochet pattern. And the reason for that is, one, I wanted to practice my knitting. It's been a while, I'm a little rusty, and I just wanted to practice. And two, I realized I've never done a speed knit portion on any of my videos before, so I thought, what better time than now. In regards to the box, I think it's great. I think it's wonderful that they give you a pattern for both crochet and knitting. It's very inclusive, and if you know how to do both of the crafts, it's kind of a choose your own adventure. What do you want to do? Which pattern do you like more? And you go for it. Other than that, I'm sure the real reason you guys are here towards the end is to get the information for the giveaway. So I will be giving away 3 one-month subscription boxes. It's for US only, and the way you enter is just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below as to why you want to win this box. And I will pick 3 winners on May 23rd, and so keep an eye out because I will let you guys know. And remember, even if you don't win, Darn Good Yarn did give me a discount code. It's StitchCraft15. I will leave it here on the screen as well as the description box, and that code is good until June 30th, 2018. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.